Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a revolutionary health supplement that's been making waves in the market, Arjun Brark Benefit. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits, ingredients, and how it can help you lead a healthy lifestyle. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is Arjun Brark Benefit? Arjun Brark Benefit is a natural health supplement that is made from the bark of the Arjuna tree. It's been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to treat various health conditions. The bark contains a range of bioactive compounds such as flavonoids, tannins, and saponins that have powerful health benefits. Section 2. Benefits of Arjun Brark Benefit. Arjun Brark Benefit has a range of benefits, including supports heart health. Arjun Brark Benefit is known to improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and blood pressure. Anti-inflammatory properties. The bioactive compounds in Arjun Brark Benefit have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. Improves digestion. Arjun Brark Benefit can help improve digestion by stimulating the production of digestive juices in the stomach. Promotes liver health. Arjun Brark Benefit can help protect the liver from damage caused by toxins and free radicals. Section 3. Ingredients in Arjun Brark Benefit. Arjun Brark Benefit is made from the bark of the Arjuna tree, which is known for its therapeutic properties. The bark contains a range of bioactive compounds such as flavonoids, tannins, and saponins that have powerful health benefits. Section 4. How to take Arjun Brark Benefit. Arjun Brark Benefit is available in capsule form and is easy to take. The recommended dose is 1 capsule twice a day after meals. It's important to consult your healthcare provider before taking any new supplements, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. Section 5. Conclusion. Arjun Brark Benefit is a natural health supplement that has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine to treat various health conditions. It has a range of benefits, including improving heart health, reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and promoting liver health. If you're looking for a natural way to improve your health, Arjun Brark Benefit might be worth considering. Outro. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.